Today we're going to talk about simplifying square roots, and we talked about some of the perfect squares, like the square root of 49 is 7 or the square root of 25 is 5. But what do we do when we can't find when we can't take the square root of something? And there's a process for simplifying square roots, and as we look at this box up here, our first step says to make a factor tree to write the number as a product of primes. So in a minute I'll show you how I really do these when we get down to the examples, because we have plenty of them. But if we're simplifying the square root of 98, what happens is we made a factor tree of the prime numbers that multiply to be 98. And then what we do is we look for a pair of matching prime numbers. So here we've got two 7s. They're a set of matching prime numbers. We have two of the same, so we take out 1. So two of the same, we take out 1. And there's the 7, we took that out. And then we've got the square root of 2. I think it'll show up a little bit better here when we start looking at our examples down here in the boxes. So when we look at 12, we look at the factors of 12. So I'm going to make my factor tree, and I'm going to pick 4 times 3. If you prefer, pick 6 times 2. It's not going to make any difference because we're looking for the prime factors. So we keep breaking down 4, and 4 is 2 times 2. And I'm going to carry down that 3. We can't simplify that anymore. So 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. And what we're looking for now is we're looking for two of the same value to take out 1. Two 2's, we're going to take out 1. We're done with the 2's, and we've got the square root of 3. Again, when we simplify the square root of 27, I'm going to pick 9 times 3. Not many options here on that one. And then we're going to keep breaking down until we have prime numbers. So we have 9 is 3 times 3. Going to carry down this 3 that's already prime. And what we're looking for is we're looking for two of the same value to take out 1. So we took out that. This is a single. It's going to remain underneath the radical. Square root of 63. I'm going to pick 9 times 7. You can pick 21 times 3. It doesn't matter what you pick here because we're finding prime numbers. So 9 is 3 times 3. Going to carry down the 7, which is already prime. And what we're looking for is we're looking for two of the same value to take out 1. We took out the 3, and then we have a single 7. 98, we saw it up there. And here's a little bit better explanation. 49 times 2. And then 49 is 7 times 7. Bring down the 2. And what we're looking for is two of the same value to take out 1. We took out 1, and then we have a single 2.